Hello students, today we are here with our worksheet number 57 from the Directorate of Education, class 9, subject science. And today we discuss about the motion of the objects under the influence of the gravitational force. Jigyasa Didi said, Gyan, can you tell if I drop a ball of iron and another ball of plastic of the same size in a vacuum from the same height, then which will one fall and reach the ground first? So student, today Jigyasa asked a question to Gyan that when she drop a ball of iron and a ball of the plastic from the vacuum from the same height, which ball will reach the ground first? So let's see what is the answer of the Gyan. Gyan said, Didi, the mass of the plastic ball is less than the mass of iron ball. So the plastic ball will reach the ground first. Now Jigyasa explain the correct thing. Gyan, as we know, every object is attracted towards the earth by a gravitational force due to which the acceleration of gravity, that is g, is produced, and this g does not depend upon the mass. So in the vacuum, not only these two balls, every object fall with the same rate and reach the ground at the same time. So student, please focus on that line. In the vacuum, all the things are reached at the ground at the same time. Okay. This is in the vacuum. And what happened in the normal conditions? If we perform this activity in the normal condition, then like a feather and a stone, then the feather reaches the ground later. Why? Due to the air resistance. The resistance offered by the air is more on the feather and less on the stone, due to which the stone reached faster on the ground. But if we perform the same activity in the vacuum, then they fall freely. It means in the vacuum, the feather and the stone both reaches the ground at the same time. Okay. Near the earth's surface, the distance from the center can be taken equals to the radius. Earth is very large, so the acceleration will be taken as acceleration due to gravity. Both are similar. So these three equations of the motions, now v equals to u plus at is changed by the acceleration due to gravity, that is u plus gt, and similarly second and third equation. Now when a stone is thrown upward, when we threw anything upward means against the acceleration due to gravity, then the value of g must be negative. But when we fell any object down, it means towards the earth, then the value of g will be taken as positive. Okay, now let's do the exercise. We drop a piece of paper and a thick iron nail from the same height at the same time in vacuum. Where? In vacuum. Which object will reach at the ground first? Which object? Both. Due to the, because in a vacuum. So what is the answer? All objects fall freely with the same rate and reach the ground at the same time. This is the answer of your first question, student. Second, why acceleration due to gravity is minus? Because it is against the direction of earth. So what is the answer of your second question, student? This is the answer of your second question. Third one, why object reach the ground at the different interval of time when they drop from the height in normal condition? Normal means there is presence of air. No vacuum, there air is present. Because of air resistance. That is the answer of your third question. Fourth one, write three equation of motion by replacing A by G. So this is the answer of your fourth question. I think this worksheet is very easy, and today you learn that amazing things, that why a feather and from a plastic ball and from a iron ball, which object reach the ground earlier and which is later, and why. And if you like that worksheet, please share among your friend circle. Subscribe our channel Learning Light. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.